Understanding My Head is Pounding, an English phrase explained. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that you might have heard before. My head is pounding. Understanding phrases like these can greatly improve your fluency in English. So, let's break it down together, shall we? When someone says, "My head is pounding," they're expressing that they have a very strong headache. This phrase vividly describes the sensation of feeling repetitive, throbbing pain, almost as if someone is hitting their head repeatedly with a hammer. It's important to note that this expression is usually used to describe severe headaches, rather than mild ones. You might use, "My head is pounding," in situations where you need to convey the severity of your headache. It can be a response to someone asking how you're feeling, or it can be a way to explain why you're not able to participate in an activity or concentrate on a task. This phrase is helpful because it gives others a clear understanding of the discomfort you're experiencing. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase can be used in daily conversations. 1. At work, "I'm sorry, but I need to take a break. My head is pounding, and I can't focus on the screen right now." 2. With friends, "I'd love to join you for the movie, but my head is pounding. Maybe next time?" 3. At home, "Can you please lower the volume? My head is pounding, and the loud noise is making it worse." These examples show that the phrase can be used in a variety of settings to communicate your physical state and its impact on your activities. It's interesting to note that expressions describing physical sensations, like, "My head is pounding," can vary widely across cultures. In English, this particular phrase helps to convey not just the physical sensation but also a level of urgency or severity. Understanding such nuances can greatly enrich your language skills and help you communicate more effectively with native speakers. That wraps up our exploration of the phrase, "My head is pounding." We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of how and when to use this expression. Remember, mastering phrases like these can make a big difference in your English communication skills. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.